What's going on, guys? It's Dale here, and today we're gonna be playing some Madden Mobile, and I'm gonna be opening just like a few pro packs and some live events. Bruh. If you like the new intro, press that like button right in your face. This is my team so far. Didn't really change. I just got a new tight end. And I also got a new cornerback. And that's pretty much it. Special team, nothing happened. Nothing changed. Okay. I'll be doing Road to Riches. Then I'll be opening up 2 pro packs. Unless I get some ridiculous amount of money from this. I'll be opening way more. Game. Okay, I'll see you. I'll be back when the game starts. Okay, we are back. I need Dalton. Let's throw it into the zone. We got this West Walker. Boom! Wrecked. Getting rid of my face cam. That thing was lagging. Yeah, I was lagging there. Or is it because yeah, it's because I have this recording on. So I'm looking for an app Play Store for a new recording app. Right down. Freaking thunderstorm made it happen. If you want to see my new channel, it's called DJ. Didn't make any videos yet. About to. Okay. Season score, what? Oh, that's the update that they made. Let me sell something real quick. So I can get that little bit extra cash. Do I got 3 QBs? Like, I could do anything with them, so I'm just gonna throw them away. Like, quick sell them. Okay, now I will be doing the opening. I'm recording this because just in case I get something good. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Okay, last one. Elite. Dang it. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'll see you next time.